basically have a start capacitor, run capacitor motor. So what we've done, we've left the start capacitor in place, but we've disconnected the run capacitor, and we're going to try, because what the run capacitor was 25 microfarads. When we connected a 50 microfarad capacitor, we get some real weird belt vibration, belt slapping. It's difficult to describe, so I thought a video might be better. So we'll just switch on. As you can see, it's running fairly well. Oh, by the way, with the capacitor off, reduced our wattage down to 241 watts with a power factor of 50 here. That's the frequency, I'm sorry. 26. Right, now then, just going to show you what happens when we connect. Look at the belt. Remove the capacitor. In fact, you can hear the tone change. Oh, by the way, when this capacitor's on, it's actually pulling nearly a kilowatt.